at least I was able to get them, install them, and look at them prior to selling the car. And now I can show you guys how it looks like. It's definitely worth the money. What is up, everybody? So we have just done a lot of things to this car. Can't see me. Now you can see me. We put the stock wheels back on. We put the door panels back on. But I have one more thing up my sleeve. So if you guys wondering, we're still working on the car because I got one more mod that I bought for this car. So can you guess what it is? Huh? No, just messy, right? Well, it involves this. We are going to take these off. Okay, that's why the bumper and lip and everything's off, and replace it with these. Ooh. I know a lot of you guys were interested in these headlights because they're very affordable at $550 shipped, and you know, it's just a better way to save money when you want to switch over to a newer headlight. I love the OEM headlights and they've done just fine, but I wanted to keep those because I put a lot of money into those, and buy some new headlights for the buyer for the car. So I was like, you know what, hey dude, I'm gonna go ahead and buy some VLAN headlights because I can't find the OEM ones. So that's what we're gonna do. We bought some new headlights for the ISF for her final present. So for this task, you gotta take the bumper off. Bumper has to come off because there's actually the harness right there you gotta unclip. There's actually a bolt right there, a bolt under here, and a bolt right back here. And those three is holding the headlight together. Once that comes off, you can just pull it right out after you disconnect the harness, and then we'll be ready to put the new one in. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at these. I'm actually using an Allen key to open this up. Jesus. And this is what's inside. Bam! Look at how clean that is, guys. I'm just gonna pull it straight out. Woo-hoo-hoo. Looking good. So this is the best part about buying anything brand new. It's pulling the wrapper off. It's ASMR. Oh, okay. Start sliding. Anyway, I'm gonna take this off and we'll get right back. And here they are. Oh my god. These things look so good in person with these jewel style LED headlights, the strip, the orange. I mean this is beautiful, but damn, this thing looks crazy futuristic. I wasn't sure how I felt about it because I don't like how big of a gap this is right here. They could have done something with that because when you put it on the car, it just looks like it's empty space. But the more I keep looking at it, the more I like it. So hope you're happy with this, buddy. I think it's gonna freshen up the car very, very well. As you can see, it still looks damn good though, but this is gonna look sick. And of course, to save some time, because I'm just trying to get this done. This is actually my third video on the same day, and I'm just trying to compile it all together as the final moments of this car. There we go. Saved you a good 45 minutes right there, because that's just how I am. Here's how they look like on the car. Fitment's pretty damn good for the most part. It's pretty tight all the way through. Here it is, the harness. It's literally just plug and play. There is another harness here, as you can see. I'm running it under the bump support, and here's the other side to it. This red one connects to the headlight, and then this fuse right here has to go into that fuse, and I think it's into this one, but this is supposed to go in there and kind of mimic the AFS or something like that, and it's supposed to help turn the LED strip on and not mess it up. Instructions also told me to remove the AFS fuse inside the car, so I'm gonna do that, which I think I did already years ago when I was doing this whole AFS headlight conversion thing, but I'm gonna double check that anyway because I want to follow the instructions and not cause any issues with this car. Home stretch, guys. So I just gotta do the other side, wire it up, and then we can put the bumper back on and see if everything works. Alright guys, so headlights over there. I gotta swap a couple things actually. The main thing is this plastic bracket for the bumper that needs to come off and sit right here on the headlight, so make sure you take that off. You might have to modify them a little bit if you're using an 06, 08 one, or even the 2010, 2014 models or whatever, because not all of them are the same, so just be mindful of that. Another thing is tucking this right here, because that's where that goes, and I ran the cable into the car and it's supposed to be into this fuse box, so we'll do that a little later. I just want to get this stowed away and then I'll start doing electrical stuff later. Either way, really excited. This thing is looking pretty damn cool. I can't wait to throw everything on and pull it out in the sun and see how it looks like. Both headlights are in and I did the fuse thingy, so let's go ahead and test to see if these turn on. Ooh. Oh man, look at that. Super bright, super cool. Jesus, what am I missing out on? Let's go ahead and test the hazards. Oh wow. Dude, that is sick as hell. What? Are you freaking kidding me? Yo, look at this sequential ass freaking LED. Dude. Dude. What? What? Oh my god. I'm tripping out, guys. Things are sick. Wow, this is one of the coolest mods I bought for this car. It just looks so damn cool, man. Well, at least I was able to get them, install them, and look at them prior to selling the car. And now I can show you guys how it looks like. It's definitely worth the money. Look at that. Blows me away. Well, everything works. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn this thing off and put the bumper back on. Damn, that's just cool, man. I'm legit, genuinely happy about the way this car looks right now. Alright guys, I pulled it out but put it back in the garage. I don't know why. But anyway, here it is, done. Looking really nice. Showed it to the buyer, he looks really happy. I mean, I really like the way it looks. It's really aggressive. Get another angle. What do you guys think, man? Is it worth the money? I think so. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video there. I've been in this garage for probably 4 or 5 hours already, at least. And like I said, a couple more days left. I gotta do the oil change, I gotta do alignment, and the car is pretty much ready to go. He's coming Friday morning to pick it up. I'm gonna actually be picking him up at the airport. So tomorrow's plan would be take it to work, do an oil change, get an alignment, fill up a tank, bring it home, do a final wash on it, and just wait till Friday morning. So it's getting surreal, but it's happening. I know a lot of you guys are gonna miss this car. Just yeah. Anyway, please subscribe if you're a new time viewer. Please hit the like button if you love these headlights. Leave a comment if you're gonna miss the car. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video, I guess.